Hey, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I was going to install this receiver into the drone. What it actually is it is one of these here, these FS-i6Xs. And what I did was I took the housing off, the little plastic part, and I left the 3 pins for binding, and the rest of the pins are gone. Here are the 3 wires, red, black, and yellow for connection, and the 2 antennas. So what I was going to do is I was simply going to hook it up to the drone, like on the diagram here. It's a PPM receiver, so it's going to get the ground, it's going to get 4 to 5 volts, and it's going to get the R2. Then I will plug it in. I will bind the receiver with the remote, which is this FlySky. It's an FS-i6X. It's my first remote, and I know it's short range, a couple of kilometers, but to learn to fly, that's I think what I'm going to start with. Anyways, let's get this going. I'll solder this up, we'll turn everything on, we'll see if we can get a bind, and we'll see if BetaFlight accepts it. Okay. Okay. So I got my red here. Where are so start with ground. Red. And yellow. Okay, so soldering wise, really easy to hook up. I guess now we'll plug it in and see if BetaFlight recognizes it and power it up. Okay, and I'm going to put this on for binding. Okay. I guess let's power this sucker up. Okay, and we're in. Okay, so it's flashing. Where are we here? There's a red light blinking on there, which means we hold down the bind button and turn power on. And I think that means we're bound. Signal strength 10. Okay, so let's go to ports. That would be our UR2. Now let's go to receiver. Yeah, nothing's working. We're on iBus. Serial via UR. Let's save and reboot. I guess you guys can't really see this. Well, I can take this monitor off, and this one can stay for a while. Receiver, and there we go. Okay. Throttle is working. Everything I set up is working. The buttons are not set up, but we've got telemetry, people. We are running. And I am set up on UR2 for this one. Okay, so now that I got this working, maybe let's see if we can get the GPS to work. What do you think? I mean, there's still a lot of configurations left in the remote, but I will be doing that afterwards, once all the devices are in. And there we go. Okay, so the receiver is good and bound. Bam, I can turn that off. Which means I can situate it where it needs to go. But for now, I think I'll just leave it like this, and let's disconnect this drone. Let's save this configuration, and yeah, I guess I'll come back and see if we can get all the drawings up for the GPS and get that done. But hey, we've got the receiver and transmitter working. Anyways, I'll be back and we'll get the GPS going. There we go. Here's the GPS unit and magnetometer. Here is where it goes into the processor, the flight controller. So let's get that all going. And we'll see what we can do. Okay, so what do I have here? I have the TX goes to R6 on the flight controller. Okay, and I'm just going to turn this around. Okay, so here's my TX. And it goes to R6. R6. Okay, now the next one is RX, and RX goes to T6. And that would be next to the yellow, which is the white. Next to the yellow, which is the white on this one, which is TX. Okay, so white is my RX, and RX goes to next to T6. Okay, now next is ground, which is black, and our ground goes to G. Okay, that goes to G. Okay, ground. For ground, I have my 5-volt line, which goes to right down here. Okay, 5 volts. Then I have SCL. SCL goes to SCL up there. Okay, and SDA goes to SDA. Okay, so we're hooked up. Now I'm just going to plug this back in here. Okay, let's turn this around. Well, let's see if we're getting GPS signal. Okay, there's our BetaFlight. Okay, now I can turn this off. Let's zero this drone. Okay, drone is zeroed. Now let's go to configuration. Servo design. I know I have GPS here. This office servo flight. Yeah, okay. So now where is my GPS? Serial servo folders, sensors. Oh boy. Okay, set up ports. So GPS is on 6. 6. GPS. Save it right there. Ports. Okay, GPS. Save them all. I think soon. Craft name. Start. Now I know I have to turn this on somewhere. Where? Oh, there we go. GPS protocol. Auto on. I'm ready to configure serial coordinates. Yes. Okay. Save and reboot. Okay, now where is my GPS? Well, we've got magnetometer, but I have no GPS. Why do I not have GPS? Create magnetometer. Okay, settings. Yeah. Okay, wiki, but why? Why is there no GPS? Got GPS port configured. Yeah, that's GPS configuration. Black box setting up sensors, video transmitter, OSB. Oh, there we go. Something's going on here. Waiting for GPS 3D fix. Well, we're all waiting for GPS 3D fix. Oh, GPS is up. Okay. Well, so we've got GPS. I guess I'm just waiting for the signal to load up. Let me move this, let's see, video capture device like that. And we're waiting for GPS signal. So you see I've got GPS, I got magnetometers. I've got sonar coming. It's here. I haven't hooked it up, but there will be sonar. So while this GPS thing goes, and I don't understand why it's taking so long. BZ-251 is okay, several tilt in-flight examiners, sonar, no, LED strip, no, display, no, channel forwarding, no, transponder, not yet. Okay, so we've got set home point one, so let's get rid of that. Auto config, yes, yes. Maybe I should try MSP. Okay, GPS, and I don't understand why there's no options here. Maybe I had a different BetaFlight. Curious. Okay, well, GPS, and it seems to want to go back to NEMA. Okay, let's be tuning. I don't think that's something I need now. Receiver. Let's try to receive it and see if that works. Oh, you know what? I have to pull the bind plug off. Now let's bind this again. Oh, looks good. Okay, this is bound, and the problem was I didn't pull the bind plug off. The bind plug is off, and there we go. So, receiver transmitter works. Let's try our friendly neighborhood GPS. Still nothing. Why? Why? Waiting for GPS. Let's try MSP. I think this is better, but there we go. GPS goes on. GPS, okay, so that was the problem. Here we go. We're loading up our GPS. And the receiver is still working. Yeah, I want to figure all this out after, but I've got GPS, I've got magnetometer. Yes, I do. So everything is working great. Okay, let's wait for GPS signal here. We're searching. Ports, where is it? Configuration. And yeah, you set home position once. No, I don't want to set home position. I'm using Galileo auto config, UV locks GPS, ground assistance, auto detect, European, North American lost, Japanese, Indian. Let's try North American lost. Save and reboot. Okay, GPS, there we go. Things are happening. And this is the first time this controller is linking itself to GPS. 3D fix is false. What do we got? Flag battery voltage. Okay. Let's set this 0 for this drone. Now that we've got everything working. There we go. GPS. Still waiting for a fix. Fully locked, healthy. So yeah, hopefully we find a GPS signal and receiver got working. Okay, nothing's set up yet really, but the receiver is working. Modes, okay, I don't need that yet. Let's check on GPS again. Still configuring. Motors. Pretty sure the motors are still working. Oh yeah, battery. No, I'm not going to plug the battery in right now. What I would like to see is GPS working. Calibrate, accelerate, motor, move. Okay, I guess we will wait. We will wait and see if my GPS ever comes online. I guess I don't need this right now, so we've gone back to blinking since if I turn it on then we get bound. So binding works. That's good. Remote control is working. So all we're really waiting for is for this GPS thing. Now, I've seen it work a lot faster than this. So I'm wondering if it's one of my settings. Is what I'm wondering. 3D fix is false. Why though? Why is this not green? Something needs to be set up some more. Configuration. Parameters, supported magnetometer, supported accelerometer, PID, loop frequency. Okay, that's all good. Baud and sensor alignment. Accelerometer trim, D-shot beacon configuration, beacon tone. Okay. Why am I not fixed? This is very weird. 3D fix. Why is 3D fix not working? I don't understand. What's the home point? And once this is Galileo when enabled, the GPS model will also track the Galileo satellite system, usually resulting in more like satellites. And earlier, it also disables the let's tilt this up, maybe that'll help. Oh, let's check wiki. Servo tab. So why is GPS tab? Okay, great. And there's nothing. There is no help. Weird. Oh, there we go. Okay, people, we are hooked up to GPS, and yes, this is where I am. There we go. Everything is working. GPS signal is true. Let's zero our drone. Okay. That was perfect. So I've got GPS finally logged on, which is good. And it's showing me where I am. Satellites are good. 3D fix is true. That means my GPS port is working. This is ESC. 2 is my serial receiver. What else is going on here? Let me see now. What else is going on to this drone? We've got the receiver PPM. There's still the buzzer. There's the video unit. There's the LED strips, which I'm going to have to configure tomorrow. So for today, I think we're fairly good. I mean, we've got everything going. Let's see. Let's try the receiver again. The receiver is good. Let me just turn on this. Okay. So my receiver is good. It is working. I wonder if it works on this screen. I haven't even checked that yet. Nope, it does not work on the screen. Okay, so GPS is working. So what do we got? We got the receiver going. Throttle is working good. That's throttle all the way down. And this is receiver. I haven't set up any of these switches, so yeah, nothing will. This will probably be my arming switch right here. Okay. We put the GPS on. The GPS is working. It knows the magnetometer is working. I have to set that up yet. So what's left? The buzzer is left to hook up, which is not really that big of a deal. I could probably hook it up right now. And after the buzzer, what is left? Oh, let's see now. I still have. Okay, there's still the camera and the video transmitter. And the sonar unit. Here is my sonar unit. We'll see if we can get that going as well. But you know, for now, I think I might just solder in the buzzer and call it a night. So I'm going to unplug the drone and disconnect. Okay, power is off the drone. Nothing is getting hot, which is good. Okay, now let's see. So I should turn on this, and here is what we're hooking up. Here is the buzzer, so 5 all plus minus. What I should just check really quickly is okay, let me check something here. Okay. I'm just trying to find out what the voltage is for my buzzer. What is the voltage for my? Is there a wiring diagram? Yes, 5 volts. 5 plus minus plus, and for this buzzer we have 5 and minus right here, right up here, these 3. Okay. Let's throw on this buzzer. Buzzer minus 5 and ground. Okay. And there we go. Yeah, buzzer minus green light. Yes, that's my buzzer minus. Okay. Let's 5 volts here. Now, let me just... skills. There we go. Buzzer is set up. So let me plug this in again. There we go. I do not know if the buzzer is going to work, but GPS is certainly loading up good. And I don't know why my buzzer's not blinking or working. Interesting. So GPS works anyway. There's several of the port configuration. I don't think buzzer is a separate port. And here on the diagram we have flight controllers. Okay, F3, F4, F7, BetaFlight. Okay, buzzer minus. Okay. Cancel alarm. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Power up. Very weird. Seems like a lack of power issue to me. We seem to have 4.5 volts. Oh, I got the wrong one. Well, the only other thing I can think of is that. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting some browser power. Yeah, we're getting 5 volts. I guess I have to configure the buzzer still. Because I am getting a red light. And I am getting power now. So that's a good thing. Let's configuration. What do we got? Beacon. Set. One. Save and rebooter. That's the motors. I will have to do some more figuring out. Well, the GPS works anyway. Yep, GPS is good. Adjustments. See repeat. Increase fail saves. Figure rates. Sonar servo. The GPS works. Sonar enabling gimbal motor domain. Yeah, I will have to see and look up how to get this buzzer working. But the light is on, so it's positive. Gyro accelerometer. Okay, everything up here is working. Battery is on. Switch. Stage settings. Rescue. Warning, the GPS rescue will not be available. Allow arming bot. Okay, well, we'll figure that out later. But since I got that plugged in, we can test the motors one more time. Okay, well, I've got the motor working. Okay, and GPS is going. Sensors, not sure. Servos. I don't know about servos quite yet. Adjustments. Modes. Oh boy. Yeah, that I won't set up yet. Receiver. Telemetry output. Set all this up tomorrow. Okay. Okay, this will all be set up after. CID tuning. Okay, presets. Sales. Power battery warning. We'll have to set this all up. Configuration now. That's very weird. But it seems to be working. Okay, well, we'll save and reboot, and I think this will be it for today and today's video. Yeah, well, got a lot of stuff working, got a lot of stuff done. Let's see now, let me show you what I've got so far. I've got all this working. Let's see, the GPS is going great. The motors are going great. Okay. The radio transmitter. Receiver, here we go. The receiver is working fine. Okay. So yeah, I think we're good for today. All the devices seem to be working. I am getting a power light from the buzzer, but I do not know yet how to configure it. So once I configure it, we will be all good. Anyways, that's going to be it for today. I guess tomorrow I was probably thinking of printing a mount for the video unit and getting that hooked up, and printing and mounting my radio receiver. Yeah, and I don't have the antenna for the transmitter yet anyway, but I'll see if I can get the receiver all mounted in and going. Oh, and there's still the camera left. Still need to put on the camera and see if I can figure out a way to check all that. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. It's been great. I'll have more videos tomorrow. Have a great day.